Hi guys, myself Ankit. In this video, we shall see another problem on LeetCode. Array partition. So given an integer array of 2n integers, group these integers into n pairs a1, b1, a2, b2 such that a and bn. Till the sum of the minimum of a comma b for that pair for all I is maximized. Return the maximized sum. So what do they say in the question? So they are given an integer array 1432 and that is of 2n. The integer array size will be 2n means 2 into any number if you do that will be even number of integers, right? So 2n means n pairs will be there. We're given of n pairs. Pair means it will contain two elements. So if integer contains total of 2n numbers, n pairs we can form n by 2, 2n by 2 n pairs. So what pair we can form in the given array? You could see 1 4 3 2. So the pairs which you can form is 1 4, then 1 3, 1 2, then 4 3, 4 2, then what else? 3 2. These are the pairs you can form. But what we need is we need to return the sum of all the minimum of a comma b for all I is maximized. Return the maximized sum. That means let's say for example all the possible pairings ignoring the order of the elements whatever present here are 1 4 comma 2 3 means you should form the pairs with the given elements included with this. So if you consider 1 comma 4 then 4 comma 3 cannot be considered, only 3 comma 2 is considered. Why? 1 4 3 2 all the elements are covered in this. If you consider 4 comma 3 then what else you can consider? 4 comma 3 means the remaining 2 is 1 comma 2, these two. Similarly, if you take the third one, 1 comma 3, if you take 4 comma 2 is the other pair which is formed by this. So total of 3 pairs we can perform with all the elements included in that given pairs. So 3 combinations possible, 1 4 and then 3 2, remaining 3 2. Then other thing is 4 3 1 3. Next one is 1 2 4 3. So with the given pairs, these are the 3 conditions, right? You have to return all the possible pairings with the sum where minimum of these two will give you maximum sum. So if minimum of this pair is 1, so 1 plus here minimum is 2, that will give you 3 as the answer. Okay, so next pair you will take it. This is 3 minimum, 1 minimum. So 3 plus 1, that will give you 4. Next again if you consider 1 comma 2, 1 is minimum and 4 comma 3, 3 is minimum, again it will give 4. So what is the maximum sum that is obtained from taking minimum of the pairs? Maximum of the sum obtained from taking minimum of the pairs. You have taken minimum of each pair, right? Minimum of each pair. With that, which pair, which combination of pair has given you maximum sum? Either this or this. You have to return this maximum sum. This is what we need to return. So while taking numbers in the pair, it should be minimum number, but taking that minimum number, it should give the maximum sum of all the other pairs. So you could see this is the maximum sum which is giving us. Okay, so 4 comma 3, this should be 1 comma 2. So here it should be 4 comma 3, 1 comma 2 already taken, right? So you cannot take this. So the second pair is nothing but 2 comma 4, 1 comma 3. If you take this 1 and 2, so that will give you sum as 3. Okay, so this is the maximum pair. This is what we need to return. So I'll rewrite this. So 2 comma 4, other two numbers will be 1 comma 3. So minimum of 2 comma 4 is 2 plus minimum of 1 comma 3 is 1. So that is giving you sum 3. So if you see maximum sum that is obtained by taking minimum of the pairs is this. This is the sum which you need to return. Maximum sum. Maximized sum is what we need to return. So what is the approach to solve the problem? Do we need to create all the pairs and then find minimum that of all the pairs and what is the maximum sum out of all those pairs? No. What we'll do is, what if you sort this array? If you, we are sorting this array, same array, okay? So if you sort this array, this will give you 4 3 2 1. If you see the maximized sum in these two, so here it is 1 and 3 is taken into consideration, right? So if you observe 1 and 3, what are they? They're at the alternate positions. Yes. And we're not taking first element. Why? First element is the highest element. That cannot be a minimum of the pairs. For sure. If we take highest element in the array, can it be a minimum of any other number from the array? No, because this itself is the highest array. So any element you take here, that will be minimum. So which element you can take? Let's take we take 3 only. So 4 comma 3. It will give you 3. So this part is done. Next remaining part what you have? 2 comma 1. That will be on the pair. So in this one will be the minimum. So every alternate number, that is especially the second alternative number starting from the array, will be the minimum numbers. Let's say we take the example 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. If you see this combination also, what is the maximum sum you can get it? So 5, 3, 1. 5 plus 3 plus 1, that will be the maximum sum you can get from the minimum of the pairs, because let's say we start with the highest number 6, so any number with this should be smaller than 6, that will be the minimum of the pair. So 6 cannot be the minimum pair, so we can discard 6. So other number what we can take, let's take the next highest number only, 5. It can be a minimum, right? Instead of taking smaller one, let's take the highest number only. So if we take highest number 6 and 5, which is the minimum of these two, so that we can get the maximum sum. If we take any other number 6 comma 2, this won't give you the highest, the minimum of the number. This will give you 2. But if we take the next greater number, that is 5, because since the array is in decreasing order, if we take the next element to 6 only, that will give you the highest minimum number, 5. So this is why we are taking this. Okay, once this is done, next move here. If we take 4, currently in this part of the array, 4 is the highest number. So if you take instead of 4, then 1, that will give you 1 as minimum. If you take 4 and 2, that will give you 2 as minimum. If you take 4 and 3, it will give you 3 as minimum. So which is better? 4 comma 3. That is the next number to 4 itself is a minimum number. So 3 is taken into count. Here 5 is taken into count. Similarly 2 and 1 replace. Since 2 is the highest number, 1 is the minimum number. So every second alternative number will be taken into count. That is why we sort the array in the descending order, so that we can get the highest maximized minimum sum in the array. So we shall code this. First we will have a variable called int sum equal to 0, and for each number I equal to 0, I less than nums dot size I plus plus. Okay, I do we need to give I plus plus condition? No, we can give I plus equals to 2. Okay, why? They are given for sure. It's a array of 2 and integers, so it's a even length, and every alternative second number will be taking into account. So sum plus equals to nums of I plus 1. We will not take zeroth element into account. We take from first, then 3, then 5, so on. So at last return sum. Bracket is missing here. Yeah, before doing this, what we need to do, major step we have missed out, that is what? Sorting the array. This step. So first we need to sort the array, right? So sort of array dot begin, comma nums dot end. Okay, so here it should be reverse begin, reverse end, because we have to sort it in a decreasing order. That is the reason. So we'll run this. Yeah, for Java also same logic. So here you could see we didn't do the reversing in the decreasing order. With increasing order only we have taken. So if we take it in increasing order only, 1, 2, 3, 4. We have to take first number, third number, next again fifth, sixth, we have to take a fifth number. So that is why nums of I is taken, not nums of I plus 1. Here we have taken nums of I plus 1, but here we will take nums of I, because array sorted in the increasing order. Yes, successfully submitted. If you understood the concept, please do like the video and subscribe to the channel. We'll come up with another video in the next session. Until then, keep learning. Thank you.